Hey, how's your work from home working? Are your weekdays ending in pain? Are you too spending your Sunday sadly because Monday is coming up? Is your happiness far away because work from home is causing backache and other problems? In this pandemic time, just to ease a little pain, hi, I'm Nidhi, a physiotherapist, sharing a few ideas to solve a few problems just to help you stop your WFH become WTH. So this will be a combo of a few changes, a few things to be added in your life, a few do nots, and a few ingredients that you can add in your daily diet. First things first, start your day with a few stretches. Because you stay in same position the whole day, some of the muscles go lazy and the other goes sore. So these few stretches will activate the muscles and you will be ready for the day. Stretch your body upwards and bend. Try touching your toes with your fingers. Don't bend your knees and stretch. Come back, relax. Next, foot be apart. Stretch your body sidewards. Touch your right hand to your left toe. Stretch and touch. Come back, relax. Again, stretch. Touch your left hand to your right toe. Come back, relax. The third one is for your neck. In this, you'll have to hold your neck in the extreme posture, the extreme position, and hold it for 10 seconds. First, we'll start with the sides, the right side. Try aligning your chin with your shoulder. Hold for 10 seconds. Come back. Then to the left. Hold for 10 seconds. Come back. You'll feel the stretch over here and here. Then next, the upward. And the last one, try touching your chin to the neck. Last one, lie on your belly, prone lying, and then extend your back with the support of your arms. Hold for 10 seconds and go back. Relax. 10 repetitions of just these 4 will give you a complete body relaxation. Next, take a hot water bath, but end it with a cold water shower. It's super relaxing and good for your skin. Stress and tension are companion of working from home, which also leads to wrong posture because we tend to curl under tension. Believe it, correct posture is utmost important. Make sure the difference between your table and chair is such that you don't have to bend your neck and your neck is straight while focusing on screen. Choose a chair where your hip, knee and ankles are at 90 degrees. If not, use stool or pillows to make it happen. Back be well supported and straight. Arms resting on the surface. Being at ease is as important as the stretches in the morning. Make sure you sit in a well-lit place which is clean and you have some symbol or picture that suits your mind on it. Take hourly breaks. If not, at least close your eyes for a few minutes in between. A few things not to be done are avoid prolonged sitting, especially when you're under pain. Do not work from bed and do not eat around your working place. It's not good for your mental health. Don't curl sit or sit under dull lights and do not use sofas. Sofas are for your comfort but not when you're working, because when your back won't be straight, your spine will not be, and it will be compressing and pressurizing some nerves which may cause problem to your organ or some muscles. Not good anyways. About diet, I would just like to suggest some add-ons, mainly the food that increases strength and not interfere with your daily diet, which I'm supposing to be balanced and healthy. Add a few almonds and soft to your mornings. Almonds are good for your brain and soft for your eyes, much needed when you focus on screen all day. My mother makes a mixture of almond soft and mishri, which I think is a great idea. Milk, curd, paneer, etc. are good source of calcium and proteins. They are needed by your bones and muscles. Also, add a plate of fruits, different fruits every day. A warm cup of water with a pinch of turmeric is best muscle healer and also immunity booster, much needed in this corona season. You can have it twice or thrice a day. You can also add turmeric to the cup of milk. Detoxification is also important. So having some herbal teas could be a very good idea. To suggest a few, honey lemon tea, black tea, green tea, also turmeric mishri tea. I'm a big fan of turmeric. One of these once a day will be great for boosting energy. So here were a few tips for you to help you have a healthy mind residing in a healthy body. We'll be coming up with more videos specially related to my experience. You may share yours in the comment box. Like, share, subscribe if you find it helpful. Stay home, stay safe.